Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Q here, back with another video. Today is basically, let's see, today's November 26th, day after Thanksgiving. Hope everybody, enjoyed their day off if they have one, enjoyed their holiday. Basically, this would be part two, week one, day 6 of basically my Atlas Earth asset building little series that I'm basically walking you guys through with me. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys, just my progress, basically about a week out, just letting you guys see the progress that my account has made. I just opened up my Atlas Earth here. I'm going to go ahead and watch this ad just so I can get my boost. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and get right into it and kind of just give you guys an update video. Basically, first week, we'll just call it day 7. So as you can see, right now, this is where I'm at. I definitely have a lot more land. They've done a little bit of maintenance. There hasn't been an update yet. As you can see, there's still like features that are promised but hasn't came out yet, so we're just still waiting on that. But as you can see, the total amount of money that I've made so far is $1.93. My current level has went up since the last video. Before I was at this little other hat, cowboy looking hat. Now I'm like at what looks like a little wizard hat. So that's basically where I'm at, and I have pretty much about twice as many parcels. So I will go ahead and keep it real with you guys. I don't know, my math might have been off in the previous video. I'm not sure, because I just feel like I should have a little bit more money than this by now. Maybe it's a glitch, or some kinks that they're still working out. I don't know, but I just wanted to keep it real with you guys. I still think that this is a very good thing. I'm not going to be taking my money out of it, and I'm still going to be investing. My, goal once again is to get to at least, I want to at least invest $1,000 into this, which should be about 240 parcels. So I'm sort of halfway there. Right now, my goal is to at least get to $5 a day. If I can at least get to about $5 a day, man, that would be good, because that would allow me to be making $5 a day, which is, I'm not going to go off of like a monthly basis, because you can pay out whenever you want and you get money each second. So it doesn't really matter how much you make a month. It really matters how much you're making a day, honestly, because each day you can just compound it and add more to the account and, buy more real estate, right? Right now, I want to say I'm making almost $1 a day, even though I've had this going for about, I want to say I've had this going for about a week. And so far I made close to $2 actually. By the end of today, I probably will have $2 actually. Right now it's like 6 p.m. and by the time I go to sleep tonight, I'll probably have very close to $2, if not $2. And the reason why I'm not tripping too much is because I feel like part of the reason why it maybe feels like I'm not making as much, even though I have a bunch of parcels, is because I didn't have these parcels from the get-go. So gotta also remember that. But I do notice that I have been, like, honestly, like yesterday, I want to say yesterday, this was at like 1.3 or something like that, or 1.2, if that. So I'm definitely making good money. Once again, I've probably invested around $500 to $600 so far. So just got to remember that this is virtual real estate, and that's pretty much how real estate works in real life. You have to invest, or usually you got to have a lot of principal or capital up front. You invest in it, and yeah, you'll start seeing returns pretty fast, but you're not going to make the actual money that you invested into it. You're not going to make that back until a while usually. But then after that, everything else is pretty much pure profit, and that's just an asset that you have that you're just building at that point. So yeah, just got to be patient with it. But so far everything is going pretty well. Something that I will say is that they did do some maintenance, and some of the glitches that were there and that I was having before, and that a lot of people were saying that they were having, I'm just not having them anymore. I was having a glitch with like the ad and some of the ad stuff, and sometimes when I would like log in, my little land here where it shows green would not be there. But ever since the maintenance that they did, I'm just not having that issue anymore. So that's really good, because that means that they are taking care of what's theirs. They're involved. You always want that. So don't really have too many complaints. I guess this is just like a short little update video, just kind of showing you guys where I'm at. Right now, if I wanted to, I actually could, since I have $1, every dollar that you earn can actually be converted to Atlas bucks. So if I wanted to, I could actually take my first dollar and convert it to Atlas bucks. And that's part of the reason why I'm trying to get to $5, because if I'm making at least $5 a day, I'm just going to be reinvesting that every single day. And what that will allow me to do is get at least one new plot of land each day without even having to take any outside money and put it into that. So at that point, this asset would just be building itself. But yeah, everything is going pretty good so far. Something that I did like is today, I actually received a text message from them, and they were just talking about the people who, the initial investors or something like that. They were basically reaching out to them, letting them know that, hey, the app is up and running, just in case people don't realize or have forgotten. So I thought that was just pretty cool, because that means that they're engaged. Once again, I don't really see this going anywhere anytime soon. Just coming from the crypto world that I've been in for so long, you're kind of like hesitant, right, with what you invest your money in, and you just want to make sure it's something that is really legit, that's going to pay off. But honestly, guys, I really see this sticking around, and I know that this is something that is like real, you know? So anyways, yeah, this video, I didn't want it to be too long. I just wanted to give you guys an update on this, and next week I'll update you guys again. So you guys take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.